happy and prosperous new year to all of you. This video I have made to thank you all for giving me constant support and encouragement, as my channel has completed 1 year and with about 600 subscribers and around 20,000 views. Friends, many of my subscribers are writing their queries, and I'm happy to tell all of you that I'm able to solve their problem to best of their satisfaction. So you people also feel free to write any difficulties regarding site related execution problems, or anything issues related to dispute like arbitration or litigation, as I have got some exposure about those areas also. So please feel free to write me either in comment box or through email. And very shortly after completing this technical part, I will be starting my second part about the contract handling, how to handle contract and contract management. Thanks for watching. Thank you.